Hey guys, this is Rob for Rob's Guitar School, and welcome to another one of our quick riffs. And so here we are doing the quick riff for the main riff for Black Dog here by Led Zeppelin, which is totally awesome, totally awesome. So without further ado, let's get right to it. Alright, so our strings, as we know, are number 1 through 6, from the bottom being number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we're going to take our third finger. Our fingers are number 1, 2, 3, 4, obviously. And we're going to take our third finger, we're going to put it on string 5 at the 7th fret. And we're going to pick that note. Then we're going to go to string 4, and we're going to play frets 5, 6, and 7. One after another, so that's pretty cool. And now, since this is kind of a fast riff, try to always alternate your picking. Don't do down, 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 down kind of stuff. That's going to slow you down. It's important to learn how to alternate your picking down and up. Okay. After that, we're going to play the 7th fret on string 5 again. So we have... Then we're going to play string 3 at the 5th fret. So we have... Now that's going to be string 4 at the 7th fret. Okay, so now we're going to put the pinky in action, which is quite all right. I'm going to have my third finger on the strings, once again, it's that string 3 at the 7th fret. And then we go to 9, the 9th fret with my pinky. So we have so far. There we go. Okay, then what we're going to do is on string 3, we're going to do a hammer-on and pull-off from the 5th to the 7th fret and back. So remember, once again, when we do hammer-ons, our fingers going on fast and hard. And then when we pull off, we're pulling the string down so the string snaps, causing the second note to ring. So we're doing a hammer-on and pull-off. It's all one guitar pick. So obviously we could do... But in this case, we're just doing... Okay, so we have so far. Okay. Now we're going to hit string 4 at the 7th fret. Obviously with our third finger, twice. And then our next note is on string 3 at the 5th fret. Okay, so here we go so far. Okay, so now we're going to go string 4 at the 7th fret, and then string 4 at the 5th fret. So far. Okay, so once again, that was, so we have, this is 4th string, 5th fret, and then string 4 at the 7th fret twice. So we have, and then we're going to go to string 5, we're going to go 5th fret, 7th fret, and then down to the 3rd fret on string 5, and you're going to do a 3rd fret, 5th fret. So we have... Hit open A power chord. You're going to do it twice here. Now what you have here is your first finger laying flat at the 2nd fret on strings 2, 3, and 4. I'm obviously touching string 1, but I'm really not playing that. I'm just playing, strings, open A string, the 5th string, 4th string, and 3rd string. And that's it. Alright, so here's the whole thing. I'll play the whole thing slow, and then I'll play the whole thing at tempo. So here's slow. Okay, tempo. All right, now I want to say the same thing I've been saying on our other quick riff videos. If that is too fast for you, if you'd like to slow it down, what you can do at the bottom right of your YouTube screen, you can click on the cog icon and you can adjust the speed of the video without changing the pitch. So you can slow it down. So I choose 75 or 50%. You can also customize that, but it's a great tool you can learn online for learning anything on guitar. So I highly recommend it. Furthermore, to help you out here, if you would like to learn, take guitar lessons from us at Rob's Guitar School, we'd love to help you out. In the description, there's a link to set up a free lesson on Zoom with one of our awesome instructors. And during the free lesson, the instructor will learn and write down your goals on guitar and then teach you something right away to get you started on those goals. And if you choose to, if you don't want to continue lessons with us afterwards, no harm, no foul, that's cool. You had a great free lesson. But if you do want to continue with us, you can sign up and get 20% off your first month of tuition, which is a great deal. We have the privilege and honor and fun of teaching you to play guitar while you at the same time have fun learning, online from the comfort of your own home on Zoom. So it's a great deal. I highly recommend it. Check it out. But anyways, so stay tuned for more quick riff videos. But also more in-depth videos where we go through a song from, soup to nuts, the entire song. All right, so we'll see you around next time here at Rob's Guitar School. I'm Rob, signing out.